And beneath, my good people, welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG. I am righty. Yes, I caused this rain. I'm sorry, Lambroke. I thought I had the power turned down, but I did it again down here today. I hope it's not raining for you. I'm Lefty. I had nothing to do with anything. I'm innocent, man. I'm innocent. Check it out. Let's go out here real quick. On the underporch of the underporch. Look at the fucking pool is filling up. It's getting ready to burst, it seems, and overflow. And the fucking boats are filling up. It's raining like a motherfucker, boy. The pool is still open, by the way. The filter shut off because we had a power flash. But holy shit! And it's actually comfortable out here. And it's only 3:30. And all I'm doing is drinking beer and trying to find shit to watch on YouTube. Not much going on today. So I don't know. Do I bring the TV out and just chill out? I don't fucking know. Probably not. Damn. It's raining like there ain't no fucking tomorrow. Which I like. I like rain. It's been a while. We need some fucking water up in here. Who are you looking at? Don't be looking over there. Don't be looking over there. There's nobody there. I'm here. It's me, BLG. Florida Fat Man under the hat, Check it out, man. Rain like a motherfucker. Trees that need trimmed. Rain. At least it's cooling off, like Lambroke said. It cooled off a few degrees. Well, yeah. You're welcome. You're very welcome. Yes. I just hope I turn the power down to just this area. I only want the East Milton and over to fuck, I don't remember where I live. See what I mean? Beer works when you're just sitting around by yourself. Navarre area. Yes. Subscribe. Yeah, raining like a son of a bitch, man. Look at that shit. Amazing. Pretty cool. I like it. So, yeah, just an update. Thanks for sticking around. And I'll catch you next time. It's going to rain even harder now. Till the next time, folks, for Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG. I am Righty, the Rainmaker. I'm the innocent guy, Lefty. And I'm BLG. I think I said that. Till then, peace out, people. Just peace out. Wow. Yeah, I'll get back to the boat eventually. It's too fucking hot. And right now it's cool, but I think it's going to rain just a little bit more now. Wow. Yeah. So I'll catch you next time.